Welcome back on this Wednesday morning. So make sure that you do grab an umbrella or some rain gear. Not that we're going to have widespread rain today, but some areas are going to be dealing with some rain showers, and it's mainly for the west and the central counties of the UP. And then eventually towards the evening, we'll start to see this moisture move towards the eastern counties of the UP. Now this morning, the first little batch has been fizzling out, but we still have a few rain showers over northern Houghton County and the southern Keweenaw County. We are expecting another little batch of rain showers to move in from west of us over in parts of western Wisconsin and eastern Minnesota. We're going to see some of this moisture move in later on around midday, extending into the afternoon. It's associated with this area of low pressure up into Canada. That front will eventually move through on Friday. So we have a couple of days of moisture ahead of it before it clears out. In the meantime, though, we still are dealing with those air quality alerts that are still in effect for today for the entirety of the UP, and air quality alerts for Wisconsin and areas in downstate as well. So if you're sensitive to the smoke, limit your time outdoors today. Here's the hour by hour. Here's that first little batch moving through the Keweenaw, and then it moves out right around mid-morning. By about midday, here comes the second batch of rain showers and thunderstorms for the western counties of the UP. This is 1:30 in the afternoon. So this is going to progress for the west and the central counties of the UP this afternoon and evening. So you can see not a whole lot going to be happening throughout the daytime hours across the eastern counties. And then we have an uptick this evening across the west. Some pockets of moderate to heavy rain will certainly be likely. That then tracks east tonight. By tomorrow morning, it's just a few widely scattered rain showers in the central and eastern counties. We'll have a break during the daytime hours tomorrow. Winds will be out of the south tomorrow, and then we have another little batch of rain showers that moves through, very light for Thursday night. And then we have a few more that'll pop up for Friday afternoon. So this is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So Friday and Thursday, not talking about entirety of widespread rain, but more of those pop-up showers and thunder showers. So that's something that you kind of have to look out for. You'll be dodging a few of these over the next coming days. Rainfall amounts will generally be about ½ of an inch to about 1.5 inches across the west end. That's where we're expecting the highest rainfall amounts, but some areas could exceed that, pushing about 2 inches of rain within parts of Gogebic, potentially Ontonagon, as well as Houghton, Baraga, and southern Keweenaw counties. Generally around ½ of an inch of rain expected for the central and the eastern counties. And with that rain comes a little bit more humidity and moisture. So dew point temperatures will hover towards the lower 60s for today in some places, and again for Thursday, before it drops off a little bit more and becomes a little bit more comfortable outside. But if you're out and about, you'll notice potentially the air might be a little bit more thick in some places. Now temperatures for today, most areas into the 70s, better likelihood of reaching some lower 70s on the west end early in the day, but mainly 60s along the shorelines of the Great Lakes. As we head towards the afternoon, we're looking at those 70s in the central and the eastern counties. We'll drop off a little bit on the west end because we have that rain and the cloud cover that's going to be moving through later on during today. Otherwise, temperatures will be more seasonal for the remainder of the week, mid to upper 70s. And then as we head towards next week, we're talking about 80s.